Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to set up the nearby share on your Realme C31. So at first open control panel and enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. Then find your nearby share, click and hold on it, wait a while, click on the share button, scroll down, click agree and enable nearby share. Cool. Now you can rename your device, you can make your device visible for everybody or for contacts only. Then choose your data usage mode, Wi-Fi only or data mode, for example. And cool, now we can transfer files from our device. We can send files, we can we can share files, we can receive files. For example, I want to share this image from my device to our Realme C31. To do this, I click share button, nearby share, and click share to Hard's device. And on my Realme C31, I just by clicking accept button. And cool, as you can see, image was successfully sent. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you again.